Good morning, America. My name's Josh Nelson. This here's Alex. And we're here to tell you about the fall of the Roman Empire and the decline of astronomy in the West. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, why is the fall of Rome so important to astronomy or science? The answer is simple. Before the fall of the Roman Empire, the surrounding regions were a powerhouse of technological advancements and science.
Innovation in architecture, such as the advancement of arches and buildings, aqueducts and sewer systems, and roads were introduced.
Roads, aqueducts, and arches may not sound very big, but at the time, they were great strides in the direction of advancement. You can see some arches here in the Colosseum where we are. Those are arches. Aqueducts had transportation of water, and they went hand in hand with the sewer systems, which kept Rome's massive population sanitary. Now, some scientific scholars from the time period include Ptolemy, Euclid, Plato, and Aristotle.
I hate Aristotle.
Why do you hate Aristotle? He was a great guy. Now, between these great minds, several hundred scientific works were published with respects to mathematics, philosophy, and astronomy. Several other inventions that are notable are the Roman numeral. It's not really an invention, but the Julian calendar and sundials. That's like a watch, but you use the sun, in case you didn't know. It's the sundial, sun watch, you can call it.
I didn't know that.
You should get a sun watch. Now, Rome's fall can be attributed to several key points that pushed astronomy and other science out of the picture for many years. Why would that be?
Well, one was that Christianity kind of popped up at this time, and it wasn't very tolerant of other religions or ideas other than out of its scripture. And another thing was the Roman Empire started falling apart, and it couldn't control its basic needs.
It's called the fall of the Roman Empire.
Yes. So, I don't know, astrology kind of got pushed aside. It wasn't immediate need.
I heard they used astrology for timekeeping and keeping of Christian church calendars. Is this true?
It's true.
That's true. That was around the 4th century, by the way, for you history buffs. Now, before Christianity, Roman and Greek mythology and religion involved gods such as Mercury, the god of trade, Helios, the sun god, Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, and Mars. So you can see the influence that astronomy and astrology had to Roman religion before the rise of Christianity, which became pretty huge. Now, the most important invention, at least in my mind, for Greek science advancement was the movable printing press developed in the 1440s by Johann Gutenberg. Why was it such a big deal, Alex?
Well, you were able to copy works down and multiple times instead of having monks who originally do it by hand. It took a long time to do it the original way.
Had to write everything by hand.
Yeah.
That's pretty tedious. Now, these mass-produced works of science led to advancements in universities across the globe from then on. And that is the fall of the Roman Empire.